We're going on our annual Halloween birthday trip. We're getting on a plane, we're going to Georgia. We're gonna be blowing stuff up. We're gonna be eating off the goddamn fire pit, and we're gonna be living like men.
Get it off that golf cart!
Clean up the plane, goddammit! Going to dump the garbage. Self-service. That's the plane you belong in, the Polish plane. I don't do prop planes no more.
Everyone was hungry, and the only option was the grocery store.
How many pieces?
Where are the big pieces at?
That's the dark meat. That's the good stuff.
Well, wings. You hide all the big stuff.
Yeah, all that.
That's
Thighs,
the smallest
wings.
thigh I ever seen in my
We're
life.
gonna have to do 21 for sure.
Come on, give us the big ones. We're gonna eat here real quick.
Customer service, I'm ready to eat.
Stick it in here, right? Yep. Oh, this is it. Eating in Georgia, baby. Potato salad, mac and cheese, and fried chicken.
No, we're not in jail. We're in Georgia. It's fresh, I guarantee you that.
This is how I get treated in this family. Barron Trump does not travel like this.
Look at that, Aaron. All your friends are here to see you today. Funny how they travel in a herd. Moo, moo, moo. Look at all that milk and meat, baby. This is some hillbilly shit now. It don't get more hillbilly than this. Come to Georgia, buy a piece of land, get a bunch of cows, and you're in business, baby.
We wanted to go shooting, so we had to move the cows out of the way.
It's another day here
Come on, girl.
at the ranch. Woke up early just to fit the cattle in a way.
All right, you cows, you ain't staying here for free no more. I want a gallon of milk out of every one of you. Start giving up the milk or hit the road, baby. They're fighting. They even got horns. Look at them fighting. Like bulls. Holy shit, they pushed the shit out of them. It's 2025, baby. Some people like fireworks. We like firepower. Didn't blow up.
God damn! Who the fuck threw that one? Oh shit!
Oh my God! You're looking
You're
like
an
an
idiot.
stupid ass.
You would think that's enough for a fire.
All right, ready?
Burn, motherfucker!
We better not burn this place down. I'll be in big trouble.
Fucking doing it, Frank is
Frank's crazy.
You want to do it at the truck or?
Watch, like a little bit.
Don't scare him.
Scare somebody? You guys just fucking blew up a truck. Surprised the bomb squad isn't out here yet.
No matter where I'm at, baby, I'm gonna be eating good because I got Factor with me. Factor makes it insanely easy to eat well without thinking about it, baby. Poke some holes, and in 2 minutes, we're gonna be eating good. No shopping, no cooking, no cleaning. It's simple. Voila, it's ready. Today we're having smoky Gouda chicken, baby. Delicious. Factor doubled the size of its menu. No refined seed oils, no refined sugars, just real food from Factor, baby. I love Factor's Protein Plus options to keep my muscles fueled. Head to Factor75.com or click the link below and use code MallahFB50 to get 50% off your first Factor box plus free breakfast for 1 year, baby. That's code MallahFB50 at Factor75.com. to get 50% off plus free breakfast for a year.
Marshall swears that he brought some. He said the best salad dressing you ever had in your life. Frank hid his dressing in the cabinet.
It's here somewhere. It's sitting right here. Now it's disappeared. Was it in the fridge, Marshall? It was, and I pulled it out and set it out here. What the fuck?
1905.
It's right there. What's wrong with you guys?
You're going crazy.
Blame me for it. I didn't. Don't touch my shit. Get out of here, Vincent, you fucker.
Touching shit.
Get the fuck out of here.
We got Steve Gilligan. Come on.
Oh, no.
That's me. How you go from coughing to...
Look, he's talking to his son.
What happened, y'all?
Again.
What happened?
They be coding together. You didn't see the codes? You should have ran over there. Aaron's like, they would not cheat. He's cheating, bro. He's gonna win.
Get out of here. You're lucky that fucking thing hit.
Power pole count.
Everything, stop it. I lost my drink.
Everyone's getting hungry, but it's still too early.
What time we got?
9.
Let's let this burn down about 15 minutes.
All right, and then we'll throw the steaks on.
Never seen a white man do a black man's job.
Y'all got it?
I'm stealing steaks tonight.
He didn't even get it, did he?
Y'all prep it? I heard you. Don't forget. We recently found out with this whole shutdown, 70% of welfare is white people.
And Vincent.
We in there. Country cooking. You don't need no damn gloves. They've been in there dipping their finger in everything, so I don't want to hear nothing about my little hand on it.
Business that, man. God damn.
Get the cocktail sauce out, right? Here, let's.
Oh, that's so good.
Vincent's in trouble. He's sleeping in Jewett house tonight, damn it. You already put the steaks on.
Hey, Vincent, grab the pan.
Here, give me that plate right there.
Yeah, it's too early to put them on.
As long as I know, the fucking steaks wouldn't have been on there for another hour if I didn't go out there and do that.
Here, let me hold it right now.
Yeah, you were cooking scallops a minute ago.
Frank, what happened? You said take the steaks out. I took the steaks out.
You put them all of them on there. I only wanted to put 8 of them on there.
I thought we were doing family style. Like Golden Corral.
Very good.
Look at that juice. Look at that. It's coming. It's spilling out.
Oh my God.
That's good.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Oh, you blow out. You blow out.
Went out on their own.
Good job.
Wish didn't come true. Everybody's still here.
60 years
This
of
is the way you
Benjamin
cut a
Mallah.
cake.
Where'd you learn to cut that? In the Army?
Well, no. When I was in the Army, I did a lot of KP duty.
I wonder why.
Because that's where I got to eat. That's why I got in trouble on purpose. I purposely get into trouble so I could go work at KP duty.
Always clean up. If you come to somebody's property, always do your part. Always do something to help out. Whatever you gotta do. It could be washing dishes, cleaning a fucking toilet. Whatever you gotta do something. People are letting you use their property to hunt on. You know, have the fucking consideration to do something for somebody. You know, whatever it is. I'm not too good to wash dishes.
We got the biggest fireworks you can get in Florida. Let's do it.
And I got the app.
This shit is still on fire, look.
Piss on it.
I could piss, yeah, let me see.
Oh shit, this is on fire. Hey. What? Fire.
Where? Oh, shit.
Hold on, I'm gonna piss on this one.
Piss on that one. Behind you.
Okay, work out. I'm working with a monster. Watch out. Now we got fireworks that smell like piss.
Oh my God. Why did you just...
Watch out, guys. We gotta get this fire off the golf cart. Let's get it off that golf cart.
Did he piss
the fire?
God damn. He fucking pissed on him.
I'm sorry, Gilligan.
His golf cart's on fire, and he pissed on it in the field, and now I gotta take it off the cart.
Things are getting hot around here, okay? If you can't
hot.
take the heat, then get out of the camp.
I mean, this is not enough for another drink for somebody else.
I'll tell you what,
So the question is,
Oh my God.
that damn butter stock.
I guess that solves that question real fucking quick.
Make sure you videotape a little bit in about 30 minutes.
Alright, back up.
We're fucking stuck in the middle of the woods. Because Lil Ben thought this was a trail, and this is not no fucking trail. Bitch, let's go. Fucking, well, he tried to jump the fucking Mexico wall.
We're good. Back
There
up.
you go. Back that shit up, Gilligan. Pour it.
Nope.
There you go.
All right, wait. We need to get on.
This fun.
We're out here with our buddy Rob from Lakeside RV. He comes out here, he sets everything up for us. We got everything. Hot water, heat, power, you name it, we got it. And if you're looking for a start a business, you might want to do what Rob does in your state. What do you basically, you go out, you buy the trailers.
Well, we kind of got into it on accident. We wanted an RV, but we didn't want the expense. So we're like, all right, we'll list it on sites like RV Share, Outdoorsy, that kind of thing. And we did so well with it, we just kept going.
And how many do you own now?
So all 4 of these are mine, and I'm looking for another one.
He's looking for more, baby.
Yeah.
He's making money, and you can too. So just, you deliver them. He delivers them, he sets them up, and he's done. He comes back, he picks them up, and everybody lives happily ever after at an affordable price where you're still making money.
Yep.
You can't beat that, baby. You got relatives or in-laws coming? Put them in one of these, baby, and they ain't in your house. If an average person wants to go out and buy this type of level trailer, how low can you get one for?
So the smaller ones we paid about $20,000-$25,000 for.
But that's brand new.
That's new or a couple years old.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, not bad. And then these others, that one is what I call the sweat equity. You know, I got about half that in that one. And then that one right there, those are about 30. But that's a little higher end camper too.
And every time you rent them, you're getting a return on your investment. And they do finance these things, companies.
They do. They finance them for 20 years.
20 years, you get a loan.
You get them for $150, $200 a month.
There you go. You rent them one night, it pays you a whole monthly mortgage.
Yeah.
Here we are. It sucks. We're out here freezing in Georgia in the fucking woods. Why? I could be at the Ritz-Carlton right now, ordering room service. First class vacation for Gilligan. Playing at the Rio Country Club.
Who's gonna flip it this year? I guess it was gonna be me. It's always me.
You want to get out or you want to?
It's always me.
You want to get out?
I'm good. I'm good. Damn.
And your vape and your phone.
Watch this drink. That thing popped off already. That was the one that popped off before.
That sounds expensive.
All right, we came down to Georgia. We did our annual Halloween shootout. We went riding. We did a lot of eating. And now we're getting back on the plane and going home. Back to work, baby. Share the video. I don't like to lose. We need more views. Don't forget about our sponsor, Factor. Adios, amigos.